But how is that all going to be affecting our Indian markets? We do have a team of research also joining in with us this morning. Good morning, Abhishek, as well as Sudarshan. And firstly, let me start with the market setup that we're looking at. Now, Nifty yesterday saw a consecutive second day of gain that came in for the Nifty. Second half of the trading session was better. Nifty closed up 0.6% in trade. What was outperforming yesterday also was the broader market. So that was an interesting move that we saw coming in the Nifty mid and small cap. Now, a second half, surely a good recovery that we saw coming in. Look at the stocks like whether you look at Reliance Industries, Infosys, we have Ultratech Cement, M&M and HDFC Bank, which were among the top contributors that came in for the Nifty 50. FIIs, what we've seen coming is that in the middle last week, we saw some FII buy coming in, and then again, FIIs have been selling, but not in terms of the intensity that we've seen in the last month. So seems like a bit of a intensity is reducing of the FII selling. As of now, yesterday's FII selling was at 238 crores. DIIs continue to buy 3,589 crores is what the DII buy is coming at. What are we watching out for today in terms of the markets? We have Swiggy's Q2 numbers that will be coming out. So this is the first time they're reporting earnings post the listing. Keep an eye on that. We have the RBI MPC meet that is later on this week. So more in terms of that, what is the decision coming in? Any experts' opinions on that? That is something that we're watching out for. And FIIs, how are they going to be performing, selling, buying? What's happening on that front? That continues to be a key focus area with the geopolitical tensions. But yes, that's the market setup looking like. Nifty implied open, indicating a muted start to a slightly bit positive bias for the Indian markets. But over to you, Abhishek. What are the important stocks that we are keeping on our radar today?
Well, to begin with, Cipla promoters will be selling about 1.72% stake in the company via block deal today. Poly McPlast Machines, over there, the CEO has resigned, so they have appointed Manan Joshi as the new CEO of the firm from 2nd of December. Protein e-government Tech Bags has bagged an order of about 161 crore from CERSAI, which is Central Registry of Securitization, Asset Reconstruction and Security Interest of India. Now, sources do tell us that Torrent Power will launch a QIP of rupees 3,500 crore. The floor price has been set at about 1,555.75 per share. Nazara Tech, the company, will acquire 60% equity of Funky Monkeys for rupees 44 crores nearly, and they will also infuse primary funds of up to 64 crore into Nordwind Gaming via OCPS, that is optionally convertible preference shares. Now, sources do tell us that Indigen CA down likely to sell about 2.9% stake in the company via block deal. The floor price is at 615 per share.
Okay, Abhishek, thank you so much for highlighting the important stocks that will be in focus today. But lastly, we have Sudarshan here to tell us what are the important FNOQs to watch out for in trade today. Good morning, Sudarshan.
Morning, Vinny. So talking about yesterday's session, it was a broad-based gains led by heavyweights like HDFC Bank and Reliance Industries. But broader markets had outperformed with mid-cap index gaining almost 1% against Nifty's gain of 0.5%. For today, GIFT Nifty is indicating a flat start. Talking about the flows, FIs have sold 238 crore while DIs have bought more than rupees 3,500 crore. But you have to factor in two block deals of Cipla and Home First Finance that had happened yesterday. Now coming to derivative side, FIs were net sellers and figure was almost 600 crore, and they have added long contracts of more than 4,400, but at the same time they have also added short contracts of almost 14,000. Now, long exposure by FIs now stand at 32.6%. For the client side, long exposure is at 64%. On the option front, 24,400 call has seen addition of almost 19 lakh shares with premium at almost 107, and 24,000 put has seen addition of almost 46 lakh shares and premium here is almost 60. And with this important levels for Nifty, support is now seen at 24,100 and resistance is now at 24,350. Two stocks that will be in focus. One is RBL Bank that has entered FNO band, and second is Reliance Industries, which has closed at very important level yesterday, that is 1,310.
Okay, thank you so much, Sudarshan, for highlighting that for us.